EDS Engineering Company carried out a range of works at the Cherkasy TPP. This is a strategic facility for administrative center. It provides 2/3 of the city with heat and electricity. The company's specialists reconstructed 110 kV closed switchgear with replacement of outdated oil circuit breakers with SF6. Initially, a technical decision was made to develop a new project. Previous project did not correspond to the real situation at the facility. The oil circuit breaker was dismantled and SF6 circuit breaker of 110 kV voltage class was installed. Cable and wiring products were laid on difficult routes. Carried out the installation of relay protection equipment and the existing panels of relay protection and automation. Commissioning works were also performed along with installation and adjustment of the ventilation equipment of the switchgear. EDS engineering team works only with advanced technologies in the field of reconstruction and construction of substations. Our specialists are ready to provide clients with detailed consultation on all points of interest. Works were completed on time, on high quality level, even with the problems that arose during the installation of new circuit breakers. As the equipment we had was old, the guys made a good job, managed the work properly and reliably, made adjustments to the projects. We are grateful, satisfied and look forward to further collaboration.